Okay, this is to guide you on how to do a zero calibration. So first thing you want to do is you want to hook up your gas to the zero port. So right here on this side, I've hooked it up to the zero port. Right now we're getting two alarms. We're getting a low flow because I'm not flowing any gas through the sample port. So this is on the sample screen right now. And the gas alarm, I've set two discrete alarm levels for CO and CO2. So since I have no CO or CO2 flowing, I am getting a gas alarm. So we can ignore these two alarms for now. And what you want to do is you want to go in the calibration menu. So you go setup, and then you go calibration. Now before we press 0 here, we want to check to make sure both gases are set to 0 when we press the 0 button. So to do that, you go here, the 0 cal setup. And as you can see, for both CO and CO2, we have it set to yes, yes. So that means when we go through a zero process, we're going to zero these two gases. If you want to zero one gas for whatever reason, you would disable either whichever gas you want to know. So exit, and then we go to 0. So we heard that click. So we would give it a couple minutes to flow through the sensor path. Check to make sure you have flow on the side of the flow meter. So right now, as you can see, I have close to 1 liter per minute of flow. So you would wait for a couple minutes here, and then you would press set. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to press set right now because I've already been flowing nitrogen through it for a couple minutes before this video. So I'm going to press set here. You're going to get the gas alarms regardless, because before we started doing the zero, we were in an alarm condition, so it's not a big deal here that we're getting this gas alarm flashing. Now it's saying processing 0. If for whatever reason you need to exit out of this and you need to abort this process, you would just press the abort button. Right now we're not going to do that. Let's do its thing. This is going to take a couple minutes, so I'm just going to let it go. So now we have a sample purge. So this will allow sample gas to go through. Now you're getting the low flow alarm because, again, I have nothing hooked up to the sample line. How long has the purge been set to?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Okay.
It should take 4 minutes.
4 minutes in total?
2 minutes to purge the zero gas.
Okay. And then
And
2.
2 minutes to span purge, or sample purge.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're in total, you're looking at about 4 minutes here, so it should be done almost here. And we're done. So we just did a 0. Again, we have the low flow alarm because we have nothing hooked up to the sample port. And we have the gas alarms because they're below the thresholds that we set for our alarms here. And that's how you do a 0.